It's Tuesday, April 21, 2026. So, I'm gonna show you guys my curriculum board. So, in curriculum board, guys, I only have 5 subjects, which are ELA, English Language Arts, yan ang minang ELA, or English, Math, Science, Social Studies, Life Skills, and Texas History. Since I am teaching middle school, 6, 7, and I am 9th grade, so kaya meron akong Texas History. And then, on that board, guys, ang makikita nyo is yung kung anong week na, ano ang unit title, ang title ng every subject, and then yung kulay, yan yung green, yun yung title, and then yung blue na writings, yan ang objectives ng every subject, okay? And then, since meron namang ready-made na lesson plan, dito pala guys, nakapokus kami sa pagtuturo lang, okay? Wala akong ibang paperworks. So, sasabihin ko sa next video ko kung ano pa yung mga paperworks. Pero mostly, onti lang, nakatoto kami sa pagtuturo. And then, so, let's go back to the curriculum board. So, yung curriculum board, guys, ni-required this year ng aming principal na magkaroon kami ng hard copy ng lesson plan with objectives with internalization. So, ayan. And then, ang curriculum board ay naka-align sa Texas Essential Knowledge and Skills. Yan ang sinusunod ng State of Texas sa education, guys. Also, pag sa Texas kayo magturo, malaki ang pasahod. Yun.